Today's video tutorial covers how to reset power to the keypad. You'll need a small screwdriver, your keypad keys, and a flathead screwdriver. Use the flathead screwdriver to open the keypad. On the back, you'll see the gate relay wires at the top, speaker wires, and then the power wires. You'll want to grasp the black plastic piece, remove it, and you'll see the display has gone blank. You can also reset memory by removing the battery and the jumper. However, only do this if instructed to do so by a QuikStor technician. Replace the power terminal block, and the keypad display will initialize. If you've cleared memory, all codes will be denied. Simply upload the key codes. This concludes our video on how to reset power to the Guardian Keypad.